Hey guys, today I'm going to cover my top 10 Lightroom hacks in 100 seconds. No intro, here we go.
Alright, number 1 is to expand the adjustment bars. I like more flexibility in my sliders. Number 2 is cloning out a power line, and you just click, hold shift, and click again, and boom, it is gone. Number 3 is lights out. Just click L, and you can still adjust the sliders on the right. Click L again, it's fully dark, and you're back to normal. Number 4 is visualize spots. Clicking on the clone tool, click on the box on the below, visualize spots. You will see there all of your spots perfectly, whereas you wouldn't be able to see them before. That's a great way to clean up your dust spots. Number 5, you're going to click on that target adjustment, click and hold and drag the sliders to the left and right, and that will automatically detect the hue and change it by sliding it to the left and right. You can change the hue interface and also do the same thing, click on your jacket, slide to the left and to the right to change that hue. Alright, number 6 is mask sharpening. So I don't want to sharpen the dark areas of the photo, just the bright areas, because I don't want to introduce noise to the photo. So if I just hold Alt and drag the masking, it will only show me the areas that have been sharpened. Number 7 is the colorize tool. So I'm just going to use a brush or any tool and click on the colorize button using the bottom third area. It's a light, subtle difference. I'm going to choose a tone that I like. It will be introduced to the photo, and there I've colorized my image. Number 8, radial tool double click. I just hold Command, double click the center, and it snaps to the borders. Then I can make my adjustments easily from there. Number 9, so I want more red in this photo. If I drag up the saturation bar, nothing really happens. So I head down to split tones, hold Command, find the hue that I want as it maxes out my saturation, let go of Command. Once I've found it, then drag the saturation up until what I want. Alright, number 10, our last one is sync adjustment. So if I find a photo that I've made a lot of adjustments to and I want to make the same adjustments to 2 other photos, I just hit shift and click those 2 photos, press sync, synchronize, and there we go. We have the same adjustments made to different photos.
Alright, so if you liked the video or learned something new today, give it a thumbs up. If you think I missed something, let me know in the comments. And of course, consider subscribing if you are not already. See you guys in the next one.